Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is my attempt to walk you through how I create lesson plans for the week. And I'm going to use seventh grade. I might have to do this a couple times, maybe so that it'll make sense for the other classes, but I'm going to do seventh grade, so I'll just click on them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my lesson plan from last year. Very funny. Last week for seventh grade to see what we actually finished and what we need to finish. So this is what we did the last day. We had seventh grade last week. So I know what's coming up. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, go back to Monday, and I'm going to change it to Monday's date, which is the 27th. I'm going to save this. Okay. This is all finished and stuff that I need to grade. Let's see. So they should have turned in Newton's third law. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. There's a second law. There's a third law. That's about where we're at. So I'll be grading those. Let me go back to my lesson plan. And I know that they're going to continue this because this isn't due until Thursday. So let me copy and paste that over here. Where's my space? Do I have a space? Good, lovely. This is going to go away. And let's go back here. Do not have space. Beautiful. That's really not where I wanted it. Okay. So now we're going to start with that. Then I go over to this file is called Lesson Plans 21-22 Fall Semester, and it has math. It has all of my classes. So Science 7, we've got to go up to wherever we're at. Now the dates may not align with what we're doing, so I kind of look for where, let's see, there's Newton's third law. I want to do biblical integration. So we didn't get a chance to do that. We are now down here. We did not do Newton's law card sort. We are firmly in the collisions. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do and I try to do a biblical integration discussion at least once a lesson, once a week. And then we'll do this collisions, conservation of momentum lab. So collisions, conservation of momentum lab. And I need to go find that and make sure that that is what I think it is. So let me go back to Schoology because everything that I taught last year should be in Schoology. We are here in lesson 4 right now. Let's go ahead and open our edit, publish. Let's see what's in here. Collisions, conservation, and momentum lab. Awesome. So let's do this. Oh no. We need a flash player. Do we though? Do we really? And there's nothing attached to that. This is why we check it before we assign it. I'm going to unpublish the other stuff in this folder. I'm going to have to figure that out. So let me open that up. We are in 7th grade. We are in forces. We are looking at collisions. Conservation of momentum. I don't see it. Wait. I see lab activity conservation. Is that right? Yeah, that's going to be it. So where it says lab activity, conservation of momentum, SE in my notes means student edition. So let's open that up and see what that is. Not what I wanted. But this one looks like way more fun. Repeat. Ooh, that one looks like way more fun, but not the one we wanted. That's the same one. That's lovely. Oh, it's probably a PhET lab. Let's see if it's in the P for PhET. No. Where is it? There. I think that's it. Yeah, it is a PhET lab. Awesome. Okay. So if I control click that, let's see if I can get there. Oh, hello. I want that. Oh. Perfect. Pretty sure it's the intro. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. And it goes through each of the scenarios. And this is where we're going to use the PhET simulation to change different things like mass and velocity and elasticity. So, awesome. That's not what you're here for. You're here to see how I do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a assignment because I want it to pop up on their calendar. Collisions, conservation, and momentum lab. Collisions, conservation of momentum lab. Okay, and I have to close this so that I can attach it. Seventh grade. That's the one. Oh, but no, that's not what I wanted. Oh, good gravy. I want this one. Where might it be? Okay, let's stop. I'm gonna go over here. That's not what I want. Conservation of momentum lab. Wait, maybe it's in Newton's laws. Not a chance. Okay. Force of motion. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Okay, there we go. All right, and this is supposed to be due. This lab takes a minute, and I have them Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So why don't we say, I think by the end of Wednesday, they should be able to get it done. So let's see, Wednesday the 29th. It's daily work. We have to put it in turn 2 because reasons. Take the comments off, create. Okay. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this to this assignment. Okay. Cool. So now that I have that, I really don't need this. Awesome. And let me put this, let's see. So, let's see, we need this. Copy. Yes. That's going to be due Wednesday at end of class. Okay. This also needs to. Okay, so we have Monday done. Yay.